So the last bit here is having a computer player. So what we're going to do is we're going to import a library called random. And then rather than having the player choose a move, we're going to get the computer to generate a random number. So we're going to type in random.randint. And I'm going to say from 1 to 9. And then we're going to print that as well so we can see what move the computer has chosen. Oops, position, move. Okay, so what this will do will work exactly the same way, except this time the computer will choose a move rather than the other player. Okay, you can see there. There we go. So that's how to get the computer as a second player.